Today, we're diving deep into ServiceM8's invoicing features. We're talking about transforming that messy, time-consuming task into a slick, professional, and incredibly efficient part of your business. We'll cover everything from creating your first invoice to adding items, applying discounts, setting up payment options, and even integrating with your accounting software. By the end of this video, you'll be a ServiceM8 invoicing pro, ready to get paid faster and spend less time on admin. So, let's get started. The beauty of ServiceM8 invoicing is its seamless integration with your jobs. You've already done the work within ServiceM8, logged your time, added materials, perhaps even taken before and after photos. Now, it's time to convert all that hard work into a professional invoice. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the job you've completed and are ready to invoice. You can do this from your dispatch board or by searching for the specific job. Once you're in the job, look for the Quotes and Invoicing section. This is your command center for all things billing related. If you've already added materials and services to the job as you were working, ServiceM8 will intelligently pull that information in. This is where the magic of a connected system truly shines. No more manually re-entering data. If you haven't, no worries, we'll cover how to add them in a moment. To generate a basic invoice, simply click Produce Invoice. ServiceM8 will automatically create a draft invoice based on the items and time already logged in the job. It's that simple to get your initial invoice ready. Now, let's talk about customizing your invoice. Every business is unique, and your invoices should reflect that. ServiceM8 offers a range of options to ensure your invoices are professional and tailored to your needs. You can add specific items or services directly to your invoice. Perhaps you used a unique part that wasn't preloaded into your inventory, or you need to add a custom service charge. To do this, within the invoice view, look for the Add Item/Service button. You can then search your existing inventory, or, if it's a new item, create it on the fly. When adding an item, you can specify the quantity, unit price, and even apply a tax rate if applicable. This granular control ensures every charge is accounted for. What about those times you want to offer a discount or apply a special fee? ServiceM8 has you covered. You can easily add line item discounts or even a global discount to the entire invoice. Similarly, if there are additional fees like travel costs, disposal fees, or emergency service charges, you can add these as separate line items to clearly show your client what they're paying for. Transparency is key to good client relationships, and ServiceM8 helps you achieve that. A professional invoice isn't just about the numbers. It's also about clear descriptions of the work performed. ServiceM8 allows you to add detailed work descriptions to each item or a general description for the entire job. This is your chance to articulate the value you've provided. For example, instead of just plumbing repair, you can write, diagnosed and repaired leak in kitchen sink faucet, replaced faulty washer, and tested for proper function, ensuring no further drips. This level of detail helps clients understand what they're paying for and can prevent payment disputes. Once your invoice looks perfect, it's time to send it to your client. ServiceM8 offers multiple ways to do this, catering to your client's preferences and your workflow. The most common method is email. With a single click, ServiceM8 can generate a professional PDF invoice and attach it to an email, pre-populated with your client's details and a customizable email template. You can set up these templates in your ServiceM8 preferences, ensuring consistent and branded communication every time. Beyond email, you can also send invoices via SMS, which is incredibly convenient for quick notifications and links to online payment portals. For those who prefer a physical copy, you can print the invoice directly from ServiceM8. Imagine being on site, completing a job, generating the invoice, and handing it to the client right then and there. That's the power of ServiceM8's mobile capabilities. Speaking of payments, ServiceM8 significantly accelerates your cash flow with its integrated payment options. When you email or SMS an invoice to your clients, you can include a Pay Now button. This button links them to a secure online payment portal where they can pay using a credit or debit card, or even Apple Pay or Google Pay, powered by ServiceM8 Pay, which integrates with Stripe. This makes it incredibly easy for your clients to pay you, often right from their phone, greatly reducing the time it takes for you to get paid. For in-person payments, ServiceM8 even offers Tap to Pay on iPhone in supported regions, turning your iPhone into a contactless payment terminal. Or you can use Scan and Pay where your client scans a QR code to pay on their own device. Now, let's talk about the next level of efficiency, accounting software integration. Chasing payments is one thing, but then manually entering all that invoice data into your accounting software is another time sink. ServiceM8 integrates seamlessly with popular accounting packages like Xero, MYOB, Australia and New Zealand, and QuickBooks Online. This integration means that once an invoice is approved in ServiceM8, it can be automatically pushed to your accounting software. No more double entry, no more discrepancies, just smooth, accurate financial records. This truly closes the loop on your billing workflow, from job completion to payment reconciliation. To set up this integration, you'll typically go into your ServiceM8 add-ons or integration settings. Follow the prompts to connect your chosen accounting package. Once connected, you can configure how invoices and payments sync, ensuring your financial data is always up to date across both platforms. For ongoing jobs or clients with recurring services, ServiceM8 also offers features to manage partial invoices and recurring jobs. If a project has milestones, you can issue partial invoices as each stage is completed. For regular maintenance or scheduled services, you can set up recurring jobs and, by extension, recurring invoices, automating a significant part of your billing for those consistent clients. ServiceM8 also helps you stay on top of your outstanding invoices. The invoicing section of ServiceM8 provides clear visibility into which invoices are awaiting approval, awaiting payment, or are overdue. You can easily filter and sort your invoices to identify those that need your attention. Furthermore, ServiceM8 can even automate follow-up emails and SMS messages for overdue invoices, gently reminding clients to pay without you having to lift a finger. This proactive approach to collections can drastically improve your cash flow and reduce the time you spend chasing payments. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.